The next feature on Instant Pilot is the search. Okay, so I'm going to click on it now. Click on the button. It takes you to the search interface. In this section, there are a couple of wonderful stuffs you can do, okay, on Instapilot. The first thing to do is to select an Instagram account you want to use to perform several search functions. Okay, now this search bar gives you the ability to type in any keyword, okay, or any keyword of your choice. Okay, so if for instance you're into blogging, then you just have to type in blogging here. Type in blogging, then you can select the media you want your results to be based on. Do you want only videos to be displayed as a result? Do you want only pictures? Depending on what you want, you just have to click if it's videos only you want, if it's pictures only you want. If you want all the media, both videos and images, you just have to click on all the medias, okay? Then you can have a couple of options you want your results to be based on. Do you want to display, okay, all the trending hashtags on blogging you've got on Instagram? Is it geotags? Is it post on Instagram that has hashtag blogging? Is it geotag post? Is it users on Instagram whose account is related to the keyword blogging or any keyword you've placed there? Okay, I'm going to walk you through this carefully. Now, you can use the search function to spy on your competitors and as well engage with their audience. So these features enable you to legally steal your competitors' audience. Okay, I'm going to show you how that works practically. So the first thing to do is to click on tags. Okay, then you click on search. Nice. You see how fast this is. So these are hashtags on Instagram in a descending order from the most ranked to the lowest. So there are over 1,600,000 posts on Instagram that has this keyword hashtag blogging. So click on any of the tags, it takes you right to the post. Yeah, takes you right to the post section where you see all the posts on Instagram, video posts, pictures posts that has hashtag blogging in there. Okay, so Instapilot is trying to pull out all of this information from Instagram. You can see here it is currently loading, and once that is done, all the information will be displayed right here. The posts are loading gradually. You can see a couple of them are out already. So these are several posts on Instagram that has this keyword hashtag blogging. Now you can do a lot of stuff right in this section. So just follow me carefully, please. I appeal you give this section your maximum attention because it has a lot of stuff that are very interesting you can do. Now, when you take your cursor to any of the image, it shows you this rectangular box that has three elements. The first element is view media. The second one is here. It enables you to zoom the image. Now, the third one is download. Okay, I'm going to start with this download. Now, there is for whatever plan of Instapilot you've got, gallery is a default feature in all the plans available for Instapilot. So when you click on this third element, it gives you the ability to download any of this media into your gallery. That is your own gallery tied to your account on Instapilot. Now, so in case you're browsing, you see any nice image of your choice, okay? In case you're browsing, you see any nice image of your choice, you can further decide to download that image into your gallery or your local computer. So I'm going to quickly click on this icon. Now it's asking you, where do you want to save this media? You can decide to specify gallery or you can decide to say your device. It could be Mac, it could be Windows. That isn't a problem. It's going to load this image into your local computer. So if I click device, for instance, you can see it is loading right now into my local computer. I can further access it by clicking here, then click on show in folder. So okay, let me quickly do this. View large icons. You see, that is the image I've downloaded twice into my local computer. So as well, you could decide to download this image into your gallery on Instapilot. So anytime in future, you can make use of that media to engage with your audience. You can post it from your gallery into your Instagram profile. The next thing to do is to zoom this image. Okay, this gives you the ability to see this image very well in a large format. So I'm going to close. Then the most interesting aspect of this section is the view media. View media enables you to carry out a specific numbers of action on any of the medias. Okay, it's really interesting. So the first thing to do is to select an Instagram account you want to use to carry out these actions. You could decide to like these images. Now, when you perform certain actions on Instagram, it creates attraction to your Instagram profile. Okay, it enables you to be seen by many other guys. Okay, and when you're seen, they could decide to like your images, comment on your post also, or follow you on Instagram. So you can also comment on this media, then it's going to show in in this Instagram user's profile. Your comment will also be there. So I'm going to write nice. You click on post. Immediately this comment has been posted to this thread on Instagram. Also, you could decide to click on manage post. This is where Instapilot does quite a number of exciting functionalities for you. Now, so you can come to search for images related to your niche and post it immediately to your own profile on Instagram. So I'm going to say, take a look. So I'll click on post. Okay. Once I click on post, this will be posted straight to my Instagram profile. My guys there are going to see this image. I can as well decide, of course, you know the latest feature Instagram released, the story post, just like Snapchat. I can decide to post this as a story. Then it goes to my Instagram account as a story. I can as well decide to share this post with my followers and following. Okay, let me show you how share post works. I'm going to click on this account. I'm going to click on load followers. Okay, so you can see all the guys I'm following currently. They are listed here. So sorry, all the guys following me, I've got just two. I told you this is a brand Instagram account. So I can decide to select all and share. So it's asking me, are you sure you want to share this post with these users? I'm going to click on OK. So message has been sent. I've successfully shared these images with the two guys following me. Okay, I'm going to click on manage post. I can as well come over here and post this stuff right to my Instagram profile. I'm going to click on close. So that's a couple of stuff you can do under the search functionality, then under post. Okay, now if you want to use Instapilot to spy on your competition, to legally steal your competitors' audience, okay, I'm going to show you how you can easily do that. Trust me, it's going to blow your mind away. So I'm just going to click on this users tab. Okay, I'm going to click on this users tab after specifying the most related keyword here to my niche. Then I'm going to click on search. What Instapilot does, it goes to Instagram now and logs in accounts that is related to this keyword blogging. Okay, so these are accounts on Instagram. If you check on your phone, go to Instagram, search for this keyword, you're going to see exactly the same thing here Instapilot has presented to you. So these are accounts on Instagram that is related to to blogging. So I can do a couple of steps here again. I can decide, okay, I'm following these two people. I'm following all of the guys here. So I can decide to select all, and you can see when I click on select all, the various account has been ticked, or this account has been ticked. Okay, so you see they have been ticked. I can decide to unfollow all of them immediately. Then on my Instagram account, on the Instagram application itself, my profile is going to unfollow all of this. So Instapilot is that powerful. Everything you do on Instapilot takes effect right on the Instagram application itself. So I can decide to follow all, should the case I'm not following them. So now you could just come over here, click on keywords related to your niche and start engaging with users on Instagram that are related to your niche. Okay, so you just have to click on select all, then you follow all of them. You could decide to unfollow all of them. Interestingly, you can come over here and click on send to selected. So if you come over here and type the keyword related to your niche, that means all the users that appears here are your potential clients. So you just have to click on send to selected. Instapilot aggregates all the accounts together and gives you the ability to send them a direct message. So you can use this to sell a product, you can use this to advertise your services, you can use this to invite guys to your webinar. So you can do a couple of steps that are very fantastic. You just have to click on send message. So I'm going to write something, okay? Hey guys, here is the latest technology to enable you make money on Instagram. Check out. Okay, so I want to send these guys to the JV page of Instapilot so they could learn about the solution. I'm just going to click on send message. Now it brings a pop-up. Message has been sent. Okay, good. Smart and smooth. Okay, now let's assume that, okay, this guy, I know this guy is my competitor. I want to show you now how you can spy on him and how you can drag his market share by engaging with his users. I'm simply going to click on this profile by clicking on the icon. Then Instapilot loads up this way. It's going to open this account right on the right hand side of the Instapilot application. So you come over to recent activities, it's loading, it's going to show you the images, the videos this guy has been posting recently on Instagram. So you can decide to download them and as well use those media to engage with your own audience. You can as well come over to following and as well followers. Okay, so this is really very powerful. Now, these are the various activities this guy has done on Instagram or recent time. These are the posts he has made. The same thing applies, just like what we saw under the search function. You could decide to view this media, post it to your Instagram page. Okay, by the way, let me quickly show you. The other one we posted is right on this Instagram account now. You can see from 4, it's now 5 posts. This is the image right here on this Instagram account. So you could decide to post it as a story. You could decide to post it to your Instagram profile. You could decide to download it into gallery. Also, but I want to show you how you can spy on your competitors. So these are the people this guy is following. Okay, so you could decide to, what do? You could decide to come here, click on select all and follow all his audience, the guys is following. Also, you could decide to come over here to followers, select all and decide to follow all the guys following him. Okay, and as well you can decide to send message directly to all of these people this guy is following. So you could decide to send a direct message to all the guys he's following. You could decide to send a message to all his followers. You just have to click on select all, then click on send to selected. So that is how you can effectively use this functionality to spy on your competitor and also to drive their market share.